Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Cashflow Lab. Imagine waking up to see you've already made money while you were sleeping. That's passive income. With the power of AI, passive income is not only possible, it's easier than ever to achieve. Today, we're diving into 15 AI trends that are exploding in 2025, and you don't need to be a tech genius to take advantage of them. So if you're ready to escape the rat race, hit that subscribe button and let's unlock the incredible potential of AI together. Tools like ChatGPT can help you write a killer blog post, a captivating script, or even a week's worth of social media content in minutes, enabling you to start a freelance writing business or automate your current content creation process. Video is king, but editing can be a time-consuming nightmare. AI tools like Pictory turn any script into a professional-looking video in minutes. Imagine launching a successful YouTube channel or offering high-quality video production services without ever touching complicated editing software. With tools like Canva AI, you can create professional-level graphics without any prior design experience, making your brand stand out with eye-catching social media posts, website banners, and marketing materials. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer service inquiries, process orders, and recommend products, freeing up your time to focus on growing your online store. AI tools can help you identify profitable affiliate products, create high-converting content, and automate your marketing efforts, making it easier to earn passive income by recommending products you love. Platforms like 3 Commas and CryptoHopper use sophisticated algorithms to analyze market trends and execute trades, allowing you to potentially profit from crypto without being a trading expert. Platforms like Roofstock and Mashvisor use AI to analyze property data, identify lucrative investment opportunities, and estimate rental income potential, making real estate investing smarter. AI tools can help you create ebooks, online courses, and templates that you can sell repeatedly, generating passive income for years to come. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to build and manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, making stock market investing easier. With AI tools like Descript and Synthesia, you can create, edit, and transcribe your podcast with incredible ease, connecting with a global audience effortlessly. Tools like Jasper AI can help you create high-quality content that ranks well in search engines, turning your passion into a profitable niche website through ads, affiliate marketing, and more. With AI, you can automate product sourcing, optimize pricing, and personalize the customer experience, making dropshipping a viable e-commerce business without holding inventory. AI tools can help you create engaging course content, market your courses to a wider audience, and provide personalized student support, generating passive income while helping others. With AI-powered print-on-demand services, you can create and sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without worrying about inventory or shipping. AI tools like Word AI can write and publish blog posts for you, allowing your blog to grow while you focus on other income-generating activities. So there you have it, 15 incredible AI trends that are poised to revolutionize passive income in 2025 and beyond. The future is here, filled with opportunities to achieve financial freedom. But just watching this video isn't enough. The real magic happens when you take action. Pick one trend that excites you, do your research, and start experimenting. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to AI Cashflow Lab for more strategies, and let me know in the comments which AI trend you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.